Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and you'll be notified of Kalkine's latest videos. Today's trending topic is, can Bitcoin investments fund your festive spending this holiday season? I'm Sage for Kalkine Media. Now that the world is slowly recovering from the pandemic blues, forthcoming festivities are the escape we are all waiting for. So what are your plans? A trip to a remote location or filling your house with a set of new appliances and furnishings? Is it possible these can be funded with crypto gains? Is it time to invest in the crypto space? And can Bitcoin help fund your festive shopping? The argument in favour of this should be backed by data and weighed by an individual's risk, ability and appetite. But before we jump to the numbers, here are some of the latest developments that should be counted. Bitcoin became legal tender in 2021, and yes, despite all the negative talk concerning volatility in prices and excessive power consumption, Bitcoin finally achieved legal tender status in El Salvador. The country is aiming to reduce remittance costs and speed up the cross-border payments using Bitcoin. If detractors are decrying its lack of utility, institutional investors are increasing their Bitcoin holdings. And did you know that MicroStrategy, a business intelligence firm listed on Nasdaq, bought 5,050 new Bitcoin in September 2021? The CEO, Michael Saylor, tweeted that the average cost of this new holding was nearly $48,099 per Bitcoin. And as of today, within less than a month, the company has already made a profit of nearly $7,000 on each Bitcoin purchased. And if that's not enough to convince the staunchest of critics about cryptocurrencies, the news that Bitcoin is now valued more than technology giant Facebook should be. But how has Bitcoin performed lately? Bitcoin emerged one of the favourite investment destinations amid the pandemic gloom. It entered March 2021 with a price tag of nearly US $8,600. But by the end of the year 2020, Bitcoin had gained immensely and was priced at nearly $29,000. Imagine the money its backers created at a time when many families around the world were looking at government cash support to pay rent and utility bills. The momentum did not end there. It was like there was no looking back for Bitcoin investors. In mid-April 2021, Bitcoin was priced at nearly $64,500 apiece. And by July 2021, Bitcoin plunged to below the $30,000 mark. And the rebound was, however, unprecedented. It lifted the price, and as of today, one Bitcoin is trading at nearly $55,400. The bottom line for this point is, the festive season cannot be without spending a little on things you have wished for, and the last 1.5 years was a period of slow economic growth and with many people losing their jobs. Investment in an asset, which is the talk of the town, is generally a safe bet, given that the timing is right. However, bear in mind, this is the extremely volatile crypto space and we're talking about. So for now, Bitcoin has yet to soar to the level it attained in April 2021, and there is enough space for a possible appreciation in Bitcoin in the near future. But it is by no means a given. If you do like this information, please like, share, comment on the video below. We'd love to hear your thoughts about your Bitcoin investments. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and you'll be notified of Kalkine's latest videos. But for more information and regular updates, do head to the website, which is kalkinemedia.com. My name is Sage for Kalkine Media.